guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Hayley and today we're going to be looking at the Lookfantastic Black Friday edit box, and this retails for £40 and is worth £175. So should we take a look and see what's inside? So it comes like this in a sleeve, and this is what it looks like in the box. So here's how it looks inside. So first of all, it looks like we have got the MZ Anti-Pollution Hydrating Face Mask. That's what that looks like. So I think that's like a one-time use thing in there. Does feel nice and squishy. I think it's a sheet mask, yeah. So it's one of those ones, so it's not liquid in there or gel like that. It feels like one that you put on like a sheet. £25 that's worth. Wow. And then what have we got next? Let's have a look in here. This looks good, doesn't it? This is the Ritual of Sakura body scrub, and that is 250 grams. Let's have a look in it, shall we? See what it smells like. I have used Rituals in the past, but I don't know if it was this. I think I used the red one, but I can't remember. Can't remember what that is. Let's have a look in it. So it's sealed in there, and that's what it looks like. Let's have a smell. Oh, that smells gorgeous, that does. And I think it's sugar, isn't it? It's like a sugar scrub. Yeah, it says sugar and cherry blossom. So yeah, that's what that looks like. Can't wait to use that. Really like that. And this is worth £18. And that's full size. Looking forward to using that. What else have we got in here? Shall I get this pink looking one? What's this? Tan Luxe Super Glow Hyaluronic Self-Tan Serum. So I don't know, I've never used this. I'm wondering, is this a gradual thing? You probably put it in your skincare or put it on before. It says apply 4 to 12 drops directly to skin, massaging in circular motions and avoiding the eye area. Additional drops will increase depth of colour. Reapply as needed. So I don't know if that stays on there when you wash it off. I'll soon find out when I use it, won't I? So it comes like that. And there's the serum. I won't open it up and put it on myself, or I'll have a blob, won't I, if it stays on. So yeah. Oh, it says gradual on it. There you go, I've seen it. It says gradual there. So I think it does build up. The more you use it, and it will stay on. It won't like wash off. I wasn't sure if it was just like face makeup stuff and then it washes off, but it doesn't. It builds up. And then I think there's just some paperwork in here about it. That's what that was that you saw in there. I think I really like that packaging. It's really nice, isn't it? Make a nice gift for someone. This is worth £36. Oh, shocked. Wow, that is worth a lot, isn't it? I've already gotten this in a, I'll show you my one so I don't have to open this one. This is the Lash MD, Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum, and you just put this on your lashes, like along your lash line. This is what it looks like when you open it up. It's just like water. It feels like water when you put it on. So it's not slimy or anything, it just feels like water. And when you pull that out of there, that is to do both eyes. So you just do one and the other, and then you just go about your day and you're all done. And now I think this is a 3-month supply. I read the box last time. You've got a 3-month supply in there, and it's meant to make you have beautiful lashes, like longer, thicker lashes. I don't know, does it say thicker? I know it's meant to be longer. Lash enhancing serum, and it says in 4 to 6 weeks you'll have longer, thicker looking lashes. And it says 91% saw longer looking lashes, 94% saw healthier looking lashes, and that is worth £62. That's what that goes for, £62. So I'm testing this one out and we'll see if my lashes look wowie, because I haven't got really long lashes, but I'm not unhappy with them. I think they're fine. But I prefer volumizing mascaras over lengthening, but it's good when they're both, isn't it? So yeah, I'm going to look forward to seeing what that's like. And then next in the box we have got this, and I've never had this. It is Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax, and that is a full size and it is worth £23. Should we open it up and have a look? I've never used a brow styling wax. I usually use the ones that you dip in and it's just a gel and it fixes it. So I don't know. I have got a spoolie, but I might have to get another one because that one's on the end of a pencil for your brows. I haven't got an actual spoolie, so I might have to get one. But apparently you're supposed to bend the spoolie so that you can rub it in this gel. And I have seen people that have used this and it really does stick it and it don't go anywhere. So I'm really looking forward to trying that. So got myself something different to try out there. And then I think this is the last thing. Yeah, this is the last thing. It is, I haven't got this either, I've never tried it. This is the Sol de Janeiro Fragrance Cheirosa 62. And that is a 30ml deluxe size worth £11. Let's have a smell because I haven't got any perfume on. Oh, come on. Off you come. Was it stuck on? Oh, it's because it had a seal. I didn't even see it. So, yeah, I've got it off now. Oh, yeah. That is beautiful. Spray it all on me. Love it. I've got the pink one and the purple one as well. So, oh, that's beautiful. Love it. So that was everything in the box, guys. There was 6 products in there worth over £175, and you can get it for £40. So if you liked my content, give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you again next time. Bye. That's how do you get it off? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't get this thing off. It needs to come off. Why? Why's it got to be like this? I'm gonna ruin my nails. Oh, whatever.